some chicken leg quarters. You know I buy those by the 10-pound bag. I got tons of them. I'm just doing 6 today. And got some steaks and some hot dogs coming there. So let me close it, because if you're looking, it ain't cooking. So I gotta close it up. Alright, have a good day. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate your support. We're like 3,600 and something, so I appreciate all your support. And Posh and Gifted is growing nicely. We're about 300 in about 6 weeks. So just thank you guys so much for your support. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom. This is going to be my fruit bowl for the week. I have strawberries, some purple grapes, green grapes, I have 2 bananas, and 3 oranges for the week. And this will last me all week long. And I eat a small portion of fruits a day. And this came from my Walmart haul where I had $20. So just because we're on a budget doesn't mean we can't have fruit, and then we can't make it fun, and it'll look very inviting and fun in the refrigerator all week long until we make it to the next week. Okay, so just no matter what your budget is, we can still make appetizing and pleasing food and fun food. Just make the best out of it. See, I hollowed out that pineapple, and I used the pineapple for a smoothie, and so I just saved it. And so when I'm done with my fruit for the week, I'll just throw that pineapple away, and I didn't mess up any dishes. Okay guys, thank you.